Okay children, now we are going to know new font, that is cursive capital letters. Already we learned the capital font from A to Z by using straight and streeping line and left right curves and crescent shape curves, that is. Okay. Now how we to know how we write that alphabet capital letters in a stylish manner. That's okay. So by learning this, it's also very helpful to make your handwriting and fonting, that is very beauty, makes your handwriting so beauty. So first we have to write capital, that is cursive capital. Now we are going to, this font name is what? Cursive capital letters. Okay. So this it also lies first three lines, that is ascender, top line and bottom line only. It doesn't touch for one more letter, I think this touch only descended, but all of the letters it lies between the first three lines. So observe that lines, and in your take your 4 lines notebook, same as previous class. Okay, then now we start for cursive A. We have to start from the top line. Okay, curve line, draw this stroke. Okay, all capital cursive, it has own style. So it's a stroke. Okay, from the top line to ascender. Once again I have to write, listen here children, that is, okay, then comes down, okay, and this one. So this is cursive capital. Once again I write this 2 and 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. First step, second one and third. Okay, understand? Then B, that comes, first starting point is ascender line, this way, and write it. Okay, B, cursive B, cursive capital, start from here, 1, 2, that is 2 steps. Okay, B. Okay, next one is C. I already wrote at the top of the our title, that is the cursive C. Start from here, it lies on the ascender line, and make it also crescent shape. That starting point is this one. You make it a dot for easy follow up, but otherwise you don't write the dot with alphabet. Okay children, for remembrance only, put a dot where is the starting point of a alphabet. Okay, once again I write C, cursive C. Okay, then D. That's also, D is also similar to that of our B, starting from here and curve D. Okay, starting point is here, that's on the ascender line, D. Okay, then next E, that is similar to that of C, start from this one and the bigger lobe. It has 2 lobes, starting here, yes, and this E. Okay, capital cursive E. Then F. Okay, starting first one is this one, way of, look like a wave, and first and next one is, and join this. Okay, cursive F. Once again I write, follow 1, second and third step, that is F, cursive F. Okay, and cursive G, C shape little lobe, and this one. Okay, is it easy? Same, C to lobe and draw it. G. And H, it has 3 steps. 1, okay, then 2, okay, and third one is like this. Cursive H. 1, 2 and 3. That is H. And I, okay, I. Similar slanting line, one wave like stroke, upper wave and lower wave, that is I. Okay. Then J, that's also similar to that of this previous stroke. Draw this and this one. That is cursive J. I wrote once again. Okay, J. And K, 1. First step K and second step, that is joined. Okay, 1 and 2, that is K. And L, okay, do you follow, children? Is it easy? Okay, observe and practice it. Okay, it makes your handwriting so beauty. Practice makes perfect. Okay, children, so practice well daily. You have to take 3 or more, 4 than 5 alphabets. Practice in your 4 lines notebook. That makes it very easy to you. So L and M, that is first stroke and one second and third one. Okay, once again listen here. That is first, okay, and second and third step, that is yum. Same like yum, you have to write N. Okay, same thing. Okay, and this one N, M, N. 1, second step 2 and 3. Cursive N. Okay, then O, invert. Okay, while you start and ending point is same as normal caps. When you cursive O, make it invert stroke. That is cursive O. And P, that is first stroke and second one. P, 1, okay, and 2. P. Next one is Q, O, and the tail is like that. Q. Once again. Okay. R, it's similar to that of our alphabet P, same stroke. So first same and R, okay, straight and R. Okay, from A to R, we have seen the cursive capital letters. Okay, now we have to write cursive capital S. Okay, children, listen. S, that is okay, same stroke of cursive S, but it lies between the ascender to bottom and somewhat curve in manner. Okay, yes. Again, it is yes. And next, cursive capital T. Okay, T. Next one, U. Somewhat curve starting with another loop and make it U. Cursive capital U. And V, that is V. Okay. Again V. Next one is W. So same like V and make it curve. Okay, starting smaller, stop. Okay, then write W and curve. Cursive capital W and X like this manner. You have to bend your stop. Okay, that is X, cursive capital X. And Y, okay, same of U. Okay, follow this and touch the bottom line, Y. And finally Z. Okay, here observe this turn, small loop Z. So from cursive capital A to Z. Okay.